Hello everyone, this is Direwolf20, and today I'm here to show you guys a pretty cool initiative started by Microsoft and Mojang in collaboration with Code.org. This is the Hour of Code. If you guys have been following some of the goings-on of Mojang and Microsoft on Twitter or anything like that, you might have heard mention of Hour of Code, and it's a pretty cool thing. As you guys know, I'm like a big proponent of people learning how to do programming, even at a basic level, and helping kids get interested in programming and helping people who just want to learn like the basics of coding. And when I saw this, I kind of said I really want to do a video to show you guys what this is about. So want to show you guys what Hour of Code is. And that's what we're going to do today. So just a quick video here to show it to you guys. Personally, I think this is a really cool initiative just because like I'm into programming, as you guys know. Like it's not something I do professionally, but I have fun writing computer craft code, in Minecraft and a lot of my worlds and other programming and games and stuff, just like little basic things. And then of course like some basic scripting and stuff. And it's just a nice skill to have. So definitely think it would be cool for you guys to check this out. So all you got to do is go to code.org/MC. I'll make sure to put the link in the description of this video. And you can see it's a nice little Minecraft Hour of Code setup that they've got. Let's try it now and see what it's about. When we click on try now here, it's going to open up and you'll notice first off, there's this neat little intro to the Hour of Code system with Jeb. It's definitely worth watching because he, talks about some of the cool stuff that they've got going on and how it works. And he gives you some basic concepts and even some basic instructions. So if you're completely new to programming, probably not a bad idea to check out this video. It's only 2 minutes long and Jeb's in it, so totally worth seeing. To start playing an Hour of Code is really pretty simple. All you got to do is select a character. Who do you think I'm going to be? I mean, come on, that should be obvious. It's nice of them to have my own personal skin as part of the Hour of Code. I was not expecting that, but cool. So what you have here are 14 little tutorial type programs that should get your mind thinking about how programming works. So you'll notice that on the left here, you have some code blocks. To begin with, it's pretty simple. Move forward, left and right. And then on the right, your workspace here are the code blocks that will be executed when you run your program. So basically, all you have to do is drag from the left side of the screen to the right over here, and you'll be able to see what happens when you run it by clicking the run button. And down here, there's a little bit of a tip: add a second move forward command to reach the sheep. So your goal in step 1 is to get this character to walk 2 steps forward and reach the sheep. Seems pretty simple. I'm sure it'll get a little bit harder as we go up to puzzle number 14. But let's click and drag the move forward function here and hit run. Cool. Hooray, it worked. Steve's very happy. He's dancing around. He's thrilled. Nice. And it tells us that we wrote 2 lines of code here, and you can show what that code is. So basically, what it's doing here behind the screen is it's converting the blocks that you dragged and dropped into JavaScript. Definitely one of the more popular programming languages out there and scripting languages. So, pretty neat function. We're able to see the programming code behind the scenes that allowed Steve to walk forward. So clearly, puzzle 1, pretty simple. Puzzle 2, wood is a very important resource. Many things are made from it. Walk to the tree and use the destroy block command to chop it down. So now we've got a new command here, right? Destroy block. So notice our characters here. So we're going to want to walk forward 2 times, right? So we'll do move forward once and move forward twice and destroy block. Now, if you want ahead of time, there's a couple of the little tips you can check out. You can show code up here if you want to see what your code's going to look like ahead of time. You can also see that you have the option to start over here. And you've got a workspace that shows you about how many blocks you should have in your code. But let's go ahead and hit run. Hooray! It worked. So let's check out puzzle number 3. Now we need to do a couple things. We have to shear a couple of sheep. 2 of them to be exact. So let's give it a shot. I'm standing here. I'm going to want to move forward 2 blocks, right? So 1, 2. Also, be careful because it's possible to like drag the move forward button. You want to make sure that there's this little orange indicator underneath your step here, and you'll be able to see that there, right? Now, we don't want to move forward 3. We just want to move forward 2. So I'm going to drag that away. So move forward 2, and then I want to shear the sheep in front of me. But we want to shear both of them. So I'm probably then going to want to turn right, move forward 1 more block, and shear the sheep in front of me again. Sweet. That's pretty easy. I wonder what the code looks like now. Let's take a look. All right, 6 lines of code, not bad. Let's check out puzzle number 4. We need to build a house before the sun goes down. Houses require a lot of wood. Cut down all 3 trees. All 3? Oh my goodness. So you can see here that we're going to move forward 3 times already, and then we're going to break the tree. Then we're going to turn left, move forward once. So we're probably going to want to move forward 1, 2 more times after that. 1, 2. Break that tree, then turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3, and break the tree. 1, 2, 3, and destroy block. Man, that's a lot of code. I hope they introduce us to loops soon. Kind of feel like that might be what's coming next, but that's just a guess. Hey, look at me, I'm chopping down trees with code. That's pretty neat. So again, we can see the code, and you can see there's 14 lines of code here. But let's continue on to step number 5. Looks like another video there, but I'm going to skip it because recording video for a video might not work so well. Every house starts with a wall. Build the first part of your house by putting the place and move forward commands inside the repeat loop. All right, looks like we're going to repeat a set of steps a couple times. So I'm guessing that place is just going to place the block in front of me. It says place and then move forward. So let's just try what it tells me to do. Cool. Place birch planks. Sure, why not? And then move forward, and we'll drop this right in here. That seems easy. Run. Oh, nice. That's cool. So it does place it below me. Awesome. So we can see we completed steps inside a repeat loop, which is pretty neat. Continue. Let's build a house. Choose a floor plan for your house. Ooh. I haven't seen this thing before. Easy, medium, or hard. Well, it's not 9 by 9, but, you know, I'll go with an easy one. And then when you guys go through this, which I hope some of you will, you know, it would be pretty cool to see if you can pull off the hard ones. All right, so we repeated. So when we run this, we're going to repeat 3 times, move forward in place. So 1, 2, 3, move forward in place. And then it's going to turn right. And then what do I want to do? We want to repeat 3 times. Probably going to want to do another move forward and place. And then turn right. And then repeat, I'm guessing 2 times would be the correct thing to do here. Move forward, place, right? Run. It's almost like I've programmatically built things in Minecraft before. Very, very cool. All right, so Steve's happy. We've completed our task here. Definitely want to see what that code's like. Oh, look at that. Nice. So it shows you a for loop there, right? And that's a variable count 0. Count is less than 3. Count plus plus, right? Move forward, place block. That is cool. So as you guys can see, I've jumped ahead a little bit. I've moved up to code level 10. Interested to see, you know, what some of the more advanced concepts would be. So right now I'm in a cave underground, and I need to get past this lava. Walking into molten lava is a bad idea. Place cobblestone to create a bridge, then mine at least 2 of the iron blocks. All right, so I can probably move forward once, and then we're going to want to place cobblestone ahead. That'll place a block there. Then we'll want to move forward twice, right? So 1, 2, and then we want to break. What I'll do is probably do another repeat, and we'll say destroy block, move forward. That should work probably, right? Though it does say I'm using 8 out of the 7 blocks that are available to me. Interesting. Let's just see how this works. Nice. Cool. I mean, technically I don't have to move forward there again. Let's try again and see if I can pull it off with just 7 blocks. I'm going to get rid of this repeat. I'm just going to do destroy block and move forward. So that'll do that. See, that's the same. All right, I found a way to do it a little bit more efficiently in 7 blocks, but then I went ahead and figured out a way to do it even more efficiently with just 3 blocks. You ready? Or 6 blocks, I mean. You ready for this? So we're going to move forward, and then we're going to place cobblestone. And then if I did repeat 3 times, we'll do move forward and destroy block. Run. Haha. Nice. I did better than they expected. 6 out of 7. Haha. All right, so the next puzzle introduces the if-then statement. Luckily, it gives you almost everything you need to do to get started. All you really have to do here, it looks like, is move forward at the end. So what this is going to do is it's 7 times in a row. It's going to break the block in front of Steve, and if there's lava in front of him, then it's going to place cobblestone, but only if there's lava ahead. And then move forward. So you can see the little tip we got here that you need to use an if statement to decide whether or not to place the block in front of him. So let's go ahead and run this and see how it goes. So it destroyed the block. Since there's lava, it placed cobblestone. Since there's not lava, it didn't. Lava, place cobblestone. Lava, place cobblestone. No lava, don't. No lava, don't. And then finally, yes, lava, place cobblestone, and we're done. Neat. Let's go check out the next puzzle. Oh, I want to see the code, actually. Oh, that's cool. Look how small that code is. It's just 5 lines of code and all that logic. All right, mine 3 redstone, but don't fall in lava. Use an if command to place cobblestone over any lava you encounter. All right. So let's do this. We'll move forward 1, 2 times. Right? And then we will break the block in front of us. And if lava ahead, place cobblestone. So if there's lava underneath that thing, then I'm going to turn right, break block. I'm probably doing way too many steps here. They want me to do something a little bit more efficiently. Then we're going to want to move forward 1, 2 times. I'll make this more efficient in a minute. And then finally, destroy block. See if I at least got it to do what we want to do. I had a feeling there'd be lava there. I should probably add a move forward first. Oh no, I died. I missed a move forward step. All right, let's try this again. Destroy block. We want to move forward to go right in there before the turn right. Sweet. But I can do it more efficiently. Let's try it. All right, guys. Once again, champion. Did it in 8 blocks instead of the suggested 9. So I just have a nested loop here, right? Repeat twice. And then inside that, first, we're going to 4 times in a row. If there's lava ahead, place cobblestone. Then move forward and destroy the block in front of you. And after you've done that 4 times, turn left and do it 4 more times. Since there's lava, place cobblestone. Nice. Success! Victory! Alright guys, so the last chapter, chapter 14 of this puzzle game is Minecraft-esque in that you can do whatever you want. That's pretty cool. So now that we've completed all the puzzles, there's a bunch of stuff we can do, right? We can have place blocks, and you have a lot of options for the different types of blocks you can place, like a huge list of options. You know, there's a check for water, lava, or empty ahead. There's the number of repeats that you want to do, place a certain block ahead, place a certain block below you, place a torch, place a crop. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the Hour of Code. It's, like I said, something that is pretty cool in my opinion. I'm always for finding interesting and unique ways to get people to think about how programming works and how you can do like development and stuff. So for now, this is Direwolf20 signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take it easy.